Okay, guys, I am putting on these Acerbis. Pretty awesome. And I'm going to have to remove the skid plate. So I have to do that now. So that's pretty exciting. So I'll knock these out. There should be 4 of these. Yep. 4 of these taken off, and then I'll start on get the other ones done. So pretty straightforward. Like I always tell everybody, if I can do it, anybody can do it. I've learned a lot of stuff through trial and error, and I'm truly not great. Just like most people in all my videos are screaming about me doing something wrong. But we will do the best I can with what I have. As usual, somebody's trying to call me. So I'm just going to take these off. And when I'm done with that, we'll knock off the rest. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I have removed what I needed to remove. And now I'm going to line this up. Skid plate is off. And I'm going to essentially mount this just like that. Looks pretty freaking cool. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to have to remove all of them. It comes with these little cool sticker there's. These little washers, you're supposed to replace that. So I'll start removing these. That's 1, 2. I don't want to do, I guess it is all of them. So let's hope nothing falls out or do something stupid. So let's do this. Let's utilize this. Put that on. Put that on. Should we take that off? Try to be smarter. And this. I'm not sure if anything's going to come out of here or not. That's how little I know. Okay. That was a little tight. And I had to break that. Since I'm not stripping it, I'm okay. That does scare me. Let me pause. Make sure I have the right stuff. Alright guys, so everything is done minus me tweaking with the old, what do you call it? The, the poundage thing. Anyway, so minus this, everything's done. I'm going to tighten this side up. I'm going to loosen the bolts on the other side and do that as well. Then I'll go ahead and put back the crash guard skid plate thingy bobber. But I think it looks great. It looks even cooler. Anyway, I hope you're having a good day. I'll let you see the final. Okay, guys, here's the final product. I think it turned out great. Another episode of overweight middle-aged man spending money. So the Acerbis, however you pronounce that, Acerbis, it looked pretty awesome with obviously the skid guard. Complements it very nicely. I did wind up putting back on my little luggage rack thing. I am going to keep off the panniers or whatever, because I'm just going to do some simple some other stuff. So anyway, hope y'all have a great weekend and a happy holiday.